My name is Oliver Pettridge, and I hate my next-door neighbor. He's bugging me. Not that kind of bugging. He's been bugging me for years, but now he's really bugging me. He used to be a big-shot action movie star. That was bad enough, but now it's even worse. The knucklehead has just been elected President of the United States. Oi. Hi, I'm Jerry Robbins, and I play Oliver Pettridge in the Colonial Radio Theatre on the Air's audio adaptation of Michael B. Druxman's hilarious, non-political political comedy, Hail on the Chief. Downloaded today on Audible, Amazon, or iTunes.